My first technology is Zearn. Zearn is a math website that can be aligned with the curriculum Engage New York, but also fits well with other math curriculums. So the first thing I'll show you is the curriculum page, and you can select the grade that you teach. It's K through 5. So I'll select second grade, and then they have missions. So each mission is a different topic that the grade learns in math. So I'll select the first one, View Mission, and this is what teachers can do. And here I have all the papers that the students need, all lessons plans for teachers, and then additional student resources. And if I scroll down, I can go through and see each lesson that the students would do online. So these can be used whole group, small group, or independently, and can be used with blended learning as well as at home. So we'll go with the math chat for lesson 1.
Hey Zearn, I'm Mr. Sweet, here with Hey Zearn, how many cubes are there in total? Now, you answer the question, and we'll talk about it after. Click the audio button if you want to hear me read the directions.
Okay, so there's videos, and then students can type in their answers. So I will see that there are 10 cubes total. Hit enter. Tells you've got it correct. And then there are more explanations through the lesson. So that's just one example. Learning labs are a little more interactive. And then I can go to reports, and I can check the pace of my students, activities. Sprints are practicing their math facts, so I can check what facts they're learning. And then if I go to the home page, I can also click my roster and check all my students' progress. They're all currently assigned grade 2, module 7, lesson 1. But if one student is excelling, I can click their name and change their lesson. Or if I need to move them back lessons, I can do that as well. Finally, I can click resources, and there are resources for parents as well. There's schedules to plan out your whole year of math. There's anchor charts for your walls, and then also summer access. Something else that the students will see is this page. So they'll see this when they log into their lesson. They hit start, and usually they start with easy fluency activities. And they give them directions to complete each task, and each task leads into the next one. So I selected this resource because it aligns with math curriculum, follows a sequence. Teachers can view progress. It's great for small or independent work, interactive whole group lessons, and blended learning. Students can also use this resource at home. My purpose was to introduce teachers to the resource to make it easy for them to follow a plan, track progress, individualize student learning, and use the website in school. And then also to introduce students to the resource that allows them to practice their skills and move on when they're ready, or move back for review. My intended audience was teachers and students, and my standards were develop learning assessments that provide personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time, and ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs.